How to sign in to Realme account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to sign in to your Realme account. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, launch any browser or Google application on your device. Come to the home screen of Google and after that tap the search bar. Type in Realme login and you will reach on the result page where you have to tap the official link or the website for login into your Realme account. Tap the Realme login website at top of the screen. Now you'll reach on the login page of Realme, and once you are here, you need to first of all know that to access the service, you need a Realme login. You can either choose I need to create a login option or I have an existing Realme login. After that, enter the username and password. If you forget your username or password, tap the link below or underneath the login button, that is the forget username or forget password link, and then recover from there. After that, you can tap the login button and easily sign into your Realme account. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.